What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar, and let's see what we got today. Fishy jambalaya. Oh, it's still hot. If you want to know the recipe, stay with me.
As always, before starting, let's check the ingredients we need. A good bottle of tomato sauce, a carrot and an onion. Then we're gonna need some fish and seafood. In this case, I used 200 grams of shrimps, 200 grams of cod and 300 grams of plaice. About the seasonings, I used some garlic powder, black pepper and turmeric. Alright, the first step is to chop the vegetables into very small pieces. As I said, I used onion and carrots, but if you have some fresh tomatoes or some green peppers, you can add them to the recipe. Let a couple of teaspoons of olive oil to heat in the pan, and when it is hot enough, throw your vegetables inside and spread them out evenly. Put the heat to medium-low and add the garlic powder and the black pepper to give some more spice to the mix. Now, while the vegetables get a little bit golden brown, take out the fish and cut it into pieces. Once you're done cutting, throw into the pan with the vegetables, spread it out, cover it with some turmeric and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, mixing it up once in a while. Now put the shrimps in the pan and let them cook for no more than a couple of minutes. Finally, add the tomato sauce to the mix. Refill about half of the bottle with water and again right into the pan. Very nice! Last thing left to do is to set the heat to low, cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for an hour or so. After an hour, you should got pretty much this result. At this point, you can taste it and adjust with a pinch of salt if you think is needed. There it is, a juicy fishy jambalaya that you can prepare with any kind of fish left in the freezer. You can use this to season your pasta, you can eat it just like it is, or like I did, you can fill a loaf of bread and eat it like a soup. As always, taste and macros are 100% Tryharder approved. Now here's a question for you, do you rather sweet or savory food? Let me know your answers in the comments. Don't miss the new episode of Tasty Healthy Meals on the next Thursday. I'll catch you soon. See ya!